Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick muffins full guide. Combine dry ingredients, whisk sugar and leavening, then fold in milk and oil. Scoop batter into lined or greased tins, filling each 2/3 full. Bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean, then cool briefly before serving. These tips keep timing simple and results consistent for busy bakers. Use approachable ingredient choices that suit common kitchens and budgets. Measure flour properly by spooning it into the cup and leveling, then mix wet and dry gently to avoid dense muffins. Choose mix-ins that complement your base flavor and toss them in flour to help them stay suspended. Adjust sugar slightly for less sweet options and experiment with citrus zest or spices to add brightness and depth. Quick recommendation and a small pause. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. On another note, I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that shifts how you think about money and goals, and it made me rethink priorities while baking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Simple technique changes make a big difference in muffin quality and consistency. Keep batter slightly lumpy. Overmixing activates gluten and makes muffins tough. Use an ice cream scoop for uniform portions so baking time stays predictable. Watch the oven in the last few minutes for browning and test doneness with a toothpick. Let muffins rest briefly to finish setting before you remove or frost them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.